Guys, once again, so today we are going to install Windows 11 on our Android device. So before install, do note that if you are using a low-end type of device, so you cannot install Windows 11. So okay, first download the Jet Archiver. So first open the file manager, and there you need to download one application on ISO file. So both application and ISO file link was given in description down below. Just go and check out from there. So I already installed a application name called Limbo. So just open it and just click on new, and you can create any name. And just choose here custom. Leave the user interface and just second option board, and you have to choose machine type PC, and CPU model need to be a Sandy Bridge. So CPU core should be at least 4. Just do OK, and RAM you can give 4 or 5 GB. So just disable TSC and then enable MTT CG and just do OK. And next just choose the disk and select disk A and just click on open, and here you have to choose that ISO file. Just I already download the ISO file, so that's why I'm just selecting from the location. So just scroll down and then select boot option, and here you have to just boot from device. Just select hard disk, and then graphic option you have to select video display need to be a VMware, so that means VMware. So just that's all. Now you can just simply click on play button, and here you need to wait at least 5 or 6 minutes. So this is my Windows 11. So after 5 minutes later, finally my Windows 11 is opened, and now you can see just you can click just source button and then this folder option. Do not expect more from this Limbo emulator. This is just for practice, or just can we actually run Windows 11 on our Android phone or not. But yes, we can, but fully we cannot explore or use Windows 11 from our Android device. So okay, thank you for watching my video, and we will meet in the next episode. Till then, stay safe.